Same old weight on my chest. Every breath feels borrowed, like I'm failing the test. Colors used to bleed through my fingers in pen. Now the canvas is empty, and I'm empty again. I keep pouring out love till there's nothing inside, smiling for others while a part of me dies. Is it okay to give up when the fight feels like drowning and I'm running on dust? Is it okay to let go? I'm so tired, so drained of this life. Tell me it's alright to stop trying tonight. I write these songs hoping someone relates. Pour my blood on the page, then I seal up the pain. But no matter how deep I dive into my art, it never feels enough to heal anybody's heart. I chase happy faces, try to light up the room, but the spark in my chest burned out long ago. Is it okay to give up when the fight feels like drowning and I'm running on dust? Is it okay to let go? I'm so tired, so drained of this life. Tell me it's alright to stop trying tonight. Every song that I birth is a mirror of truth, sad reflections of moments I wish I could lose. They're all real, every scar, every tear that I've cried, and I'm scared that this darkness is all I provide. Is it okay to give up if making you happy just breaks me in two? Maybe it's time I stop running. I'm so tired, so drained of this life. Maybe giving up is the kindest thing I can do. Many songs that I write are based on my life. Sad to say, they're all true. Is it okay if I'm through?